This is SDR News and Geekazine.com's coverage of NAB.
HP storage guy Calvin Zito continuing coverage here at NAB in the booth. With me is Eric Courville. Eric, you work at Northplains, a partner of HP for a long time. Give us a high-level overview. What do you guys at Northplains do?
Yeah, we're a 20-year-old digital asset management vendors in the space, so we've been basically pioneering the DAM space, which was really about just managing rich asset management for those time. We've been evolving since, and it was a big transformation last year of our company merging into some others area, but the history of the company goes back 20 years ago in the DAM industry.
So you said there's been some changes here recently. Tell me about some of those changes. What kind of solutions do you have now with the new solutions you've added to Northplains?
Yeah, some of the changes we're seeing in the market is the marketers being more and more into the videos, and the broadcaster getting into low-end videos and moving into the marketing space as well, wanted to repurposing their content. So we actually made some acquisition last year to actually merge those two disciplines together. So we've acquired a company called Zito, which is really about content creation, and we've also acquired a company in the MRM space and web content management to actually merge digital asset management with MRM and web content management to help those companies, the Fortune 1000, moving into a more video-centric environment.
So the way marketing happens really is changing a lot, and video is driving a lot of that. How do you see how you've positioned Northplains with the solutions you have now helping companies like HP that are just going crazy with video? I mean, that's why we're here doing this.
Absolutely, absolutely. Video is the most, the media that's growing the most in terms of new content created in the space right now. You see it in social media, you see it on the web space. So what needs to be done is the video is as strong as how relevant the content is. So we're here at NAB, there's lots of news that's happening. You want your content to be on the wire, on your website or on social media as quick as possible. At the same time, you want to control your brand. So you want to make sure that whatever is filmed today, the content is actually approved by the corporation, that I wear the proper logo, that the HP is properly set. So you need to control your brand. That's very key for the marketers. So we're providing an infrastructure, a platform that allows for controlling that brand, distributing that brand, making that brand accessible really quickly without having to control everything.
So obviously you're here and you're hanging out in the HP booth. You guys have a customer with you and you're going to be presenting in the booth.
Yes.
What's the connection to HP and how's HP helping you guys?
Well, we've been a partner of HP as part of the Alliance One for many years now. It's been very successful. We're working on joint project. We're just presenting in a few minutes with Turner as an example, which are using the HP platform underneath to actually propel all their content outside. So whether it's about using your new storage all 9000 storage, you just renamed it recently, that's a platform that Turner is using quite heavily, and along with a lot of our corporate customers. So we're serving the Fortune 1000 big customers. One of the key to distribute the content out there is how quick they can find the content. Once they find it, how much can actually get access to that content. So having the proper storage, very fast I/O, having the ability to have a quick search, and I know we are involved with HP since the very beginning about the HP Express query, which is very key for us. So the partnership has been very good in terms of new innovations that helps us getting very rich, very heavy content out there very quick.
Yeah, HP Discover is our big customer event that we do,
yes.
And in December we announced Express Query, and out of all the things we announced, not just HP storage but everything,
yes.
Express Query was one of those things that a lot of people were interested in. And from the standpoint of, I mean, we're talking about millions of files and being able to use metadata tags to find stuff quickly. I mean, that's really the value you're talking about here.
Yeah, when you talk about a database of very rich media, rich video with heavy metadata, and you need to find across this very wide library of millions of assets, being able to have a fast query, that starts there. If you cannot find that data, there's nothing going on. And think about it, about all your different groups around the world getting access to that data. So we've actually been able to work with HP prior to the announcement as one of the early testers of that HP Express Query, actually.
Great. Well, I know you got sessions to go to. I know you're busy here at NAB, but one last thing before I let you go. How can people that are interested in more or hearing more information about Northplains, how can they find you guys?
The best way is actually to find us at www.northplains.com, one word, You have it here. Or follow us on Twitters as well, easy to find. So we're looking forward to ask all of your questions.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us here, and hope you have a great show here at NAB.
Sounds pretty good. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Calvin.